See. Wow. See, ang daming maliliit na isda. Good morning everyone! Welcome sa aking channel. So for today's video, ayan, second day of it. Dito kami ngayon sa The Pearl. Pick up namin yung friend namin dito sa Porto. Ayan, malapit na kami mga lalabs. Punta kami ng Alcor. See ya! So hi mga lalabs, dito na kami sa Simaisma Public Beach. So first, ano namin? First drop namin. Drop by. So ang ganda. No. Malaki din. So dito kami sa Alcor. Happy Eid. Second day of Eid. Kasama namin yung couple friend namin. Yan. So, punta kami ng ibang destination naman. Yung most.
Open your Pokemon hand. So,
Let's go there and then we'll go.
Doon na kami. Before kasi Al Sultan Beach Resort, ngayon ay TUC. 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 Building 2. Ito yung building 2. We go other side. So, ito po yung Eid namin mga lalabs. Sama namin yung friend namin. Hello everybody! So ito po yung view nila sa labas ng hotel. Horsey. Wow! Wow! See? It's very nice. TUC Resort. Oh. Wow. So nice. TUC. Magpick. Dito na kami sa loob. Hello, good morning. It's allowed to take video? Okay. Ayan, sa restaurant. So, ito na po yung reception. Yes. Doon na yata sa loob, ha? Doon na sila sa loob. Tingnan mo yung labas dahil. Hello. Good morning. Kasama. Roberto. Tayo. Ewan ko ba? Ayaw nilang wala bang table sa labas? Dati kasi sa labas kami. Wow, ang ganda. Tingnan mo daw. Ganda. Laki ng pool. Wow. Si Joby magsisi talaga to. Wow. Super ganda. So dito yan sa TUC Alcor. everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa resort. Alcor. Yun dahil. Busy. Kuha ng video. Yan, ang ganda oh. Pero bakit walang tao? Natutulog. Natutulog pa. Wow, super. Ang ganda ng pool talaga dito.
So relaxing.
Tapos yan, pwede kayo maligo dyan sa dagat. Super. Tala magpi. May waffles. Konti lang choices pero okay na rin. Waffles. Bread. Juice. Breakfast time. Ganda ng view. Lodo.
Kita niya
Let's
ni
eat. Hi! Tapos na kami nag-breakfast. Breakfast. Wow, so nice. Big bag.
That's what I said, a big bag.
Oh, from TUC Resort. Souvenir. Pwede ito magamit ni mo, Day. Mag-jogging.
Mayroon akong ganito, di ba? Nung nag-pan-run kami.
Ah,
Nung
okay.
sports day.
Libre lang yan yung sinuot-suot niyo sa company. Ganda na.
Ano ginamit ng company?
Best out, Judy, best out on a day out, huh?
Bye-bye. Next destination. Yeah, last time no shops here.
That boat seems tall. Like it would capsize maybe in the water. I'm gonna do some fishing today.
Ah, for fishing talaga.
Whole and retail market. Alcohol fish market.
Ah, fish market.
It's a new fish market. Before it was there from very old.
Video ra.
Fishery department is there.
Ah, parang Corniche lagi ito dito. Parang
Yeah.
doon lang din sa atin, no? Same lang. Corniche Alcor. Ah, last time we passed here. We take some photos. I remember.
So you
Just
bring
sit
your
down.
picnic basket, you can.
Yeah. It's nice to know these are nice, quiet, hidden places that you can just go and relax.
You have grass and you have actually beach.
They have beach
You cannot swim, you can see the black things there.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no swimming here. Because they got the
So ito pa yung Alcor mga logs. Alcor. So it takes how many minutes from Doha to 45 minutes? From Doha to Alcor. Yeah, if from Wakra, 1 hour. 5 minutes. Galing kami Wakra. Pero pag from the bird, it's 2 hours. Thank you for our Uber driver. Sweet lover.
You have to pay me afterwards.
No problem. I take you outside. I take you outside and inside.
No problem for that, outside or inside.
Ganda din tingnan, no? Oo, nag-video ka.
You can see where it comes out. You can see the salt.
Yeah.
It comes through.
Yan, nasa bundok na kami, ma. Bundok. Desierto.
No fire, nothing.
Rough. Rough road. Oh my God.
Nothing going from here.
Green, only green.
Why did you say they call it Purple? Was it the color of the water?
Oh, ganda.
Oh, the people go inside there. That is metro taxi.
This is the parking area, so now
Dito na kami. Purple Island.
let's get that thing.
Purple Island. Hello, everybody. Happy
Don't
holidays.
take water with you guys? You'll drink when you come back?
Yeah, because I drink, then I need to toilet.
No, that's okay because see, when they get thirsty, it's time to come back.
I'm already thirsty.
Well, we're not to the bridge,
La,
right?
la, 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 la. Ito na dahil. Marami din pala tao.
That's a lot of walking, huh?
You go far, you go deep. Because there's lots of things.
Ito lang naman pinupuntahan dito banda.
And then there is other stuff as well.
Ah, meron pa. Pwede ka palang mag-ano dyan, oh. Naka-short lang nga sila dayo. Where is the purple? Ito na yung Purple Island. Ah, maganda din pala.
Nag-ano.
Sunflower seagrass.
Very tight.
Ito na.
That's one you can see in water also. See the fish?
No, wakra is not
See the fish?
the same. Where?
And the crab, see?
So ito lang yung pinuntahan namin dito, guys. Yeah! Job lang to, dahil di man ako mag-post sa Facebook.
Huwag lang kausapin.
Maganda din pala.
Nah.
Hello! Happy holiday! Maganda din dito. Picture tayo nila na.
Okay na, i-videohan kita.
Walaan. Day, pusing ka, Day. Picturean kita. 1, 2, 3. Ala, mayroon din dyan, Day. Oh. Oh, ha? Di may tao. Tulog. Ano yung sabi mo? May tulog. Ganda dito. Hello, everybody. Hi. Ganda. Si Johan. Ganda. Tara. A picture yan, Day?
Video.
A video. Hi, everybody. Hinihingal na yung partner natin.
Mag-picture tayo dito.
Ayan, may rock formation dyan mga lalabs. Maganda din dito. Ayan, balik na kami mga loves. Hindi na kami pumunta doon talaga sa, ano, sa rock formation. Mainit na.
Dog Willy. Baby crab.
Wala, daming crab.
I think there is a lot of shrimp here.
Baby crab is running there.
There's a bunch of little crabs.
Hey, sarap ng hangin.
Tiny.
No, I didn't take your video. I take for myself.
Yeah, no, I thought I should take my picture of my video. $50 a ticket.
Which restaurant did you go that Annalyn was complaining that she taking photos?
What?
Lapit na kami. Ano ba yan? Ah, yung bato man yan.
Walaan.
Ah, walaan yan? No, makala. Hello.
Wala, sige, may alimango sa ano mo.
Daming mga Pilipino din. Di maganda din no, ayaw kong mag ano, papaa ka lang doon tapos hirap. Okay lang kung may chinelas ka. Ganda dito. Ang daming isda mga lalabs. Daming isda. Liliit. Punta naman kami sa port.
He did not see anything.
Al-Zubara. Al-Zubara ata? Al-Zubara? So, dito kami sa Al-Zubara Port. Al-Zubara Port. Yan. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. She said something about my
Para. Yeah.
You ride the bus to the site.
Yeah. May cactus dito ang laki.
You can take a piece and plant it and it'll grow.
So, ito lang po yung pinuntahan namin.
Look, everybody's pulling in. Everybody's following us.
So, dito kami sa Al-Zubara Port. Pasok na tayo mga labs. So, ito na po yun mga lalabs port. Pwede kayong pumasok dyan, pumunta sa taas. Yung mga tourist. So, tayo sa loob mga lalabs. Forward. Tayo. Hi. Hello everybody. Hi Dai. Marami din mga turista ngayon. Sige. Pasok tayo dyan. Hello. Sige deh. Sige deh. Hello everybody. Wala lang.
Ay, dad, dito.
Kuy, ginawa ko. Saan tayo? Miss
Okay,
Saki-chan.
ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. You want? Ikaw na pa ba? Akin ang picture mo. Sige.
Gusto mo pictures dito, Day? Ay. Let's go. Uwi na kami.
Wow.
You drive one road, you drive all the roads.
Yeah.
Prepaid na.
Yeah.
Ja, ze komt soms aan de cocktails.
Uwi na kami.
Festival.
Oh, when? Punta tayo dyan.
When started?
Sakay tayo ng balloon.
Yeah.
99 QR.
Wants to go home. What to do, Yanni?
What to do, Yani? You sleep, Yani. I know you.
No, I don't want to sleep.
Ah!
I want the cold, cold.
Ay, mga lalabs, dito na kami sa The Pearl. Hatid na namin yung friend namin. So, ngayon, time to rest. Going back home. Thank you, my loves. Our sweet lover driver for today's video. My love.
1 p.m.
Okay, we go with. You buy MQDC?
No, Kitty said only tomorrow.
So, ayan. Where you want to like that? Ah. So, yun lang ang video ko for today. Nag-ano kami, Alcor Gateway. So, pumunta kami ng first sa saan ba kami nag where we go first? Where is the Simay Isma? Simay Isma Beach yung first drop namin. First stop. Tapos second stop, pumunta kami ng Al Sultan Beach Resort. Pero iba na yung pangalan ngayon. What's the TUC? So, nag-breakfast kami doon. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Purple Island na hindi kami pumunta talaga totally sa Purple Island. Kalahati lang. Kasi nakapagod din mag-walking. Medyo mainit na mga lalabs. Tapos, last pumunta kami ng Zobara sa port. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Tapos, uwi na kami. Bye everyone! Happy holiday! Second day of Eid holidays. Bye! Love you all. Bye-bye.